Hello, hello. Mayor Martin, the owner of the PetPeePee company. Look at this beautiful Persian rug, handmade with the artist's signature, and you saw the color on related to the cleaning product the customer used, plus the dog pee. Yes, the dog pee. This is expensive piece of rug. Leather on the corner to keep the rug flat for a long time, and a signature of the artist that show the authenticity of this beautiful rug. However, the blue tape told me then the dog pee in this area. And you can see even the color already start running on the Frenches. I'm going to put this rug on my vacuum floor. And always I said, the dog first go to the dining room area near the window and peed over there. Why? Because it's in hiding area. So, how I can clean this beautiful rug, remove the soap, the enzyme, the deodorize, and the pee the dog apply. I flood the rug with a natural cleaner from the Dead Sea, a secret cleaning process that I invented, that I put together as my secret cleaner. And the machine that I construct and build it solitary from scratch. This is the only machine in the world located in Florida. This machine will clean the Oriental rug, will wash the Oriental rug without human touch. So the color will never run, no fuzziness, no any destruction of the fiber. And this is what you're looking for, because looking on YouTube and you can see how all the carpet cleaner use the scrubber and the squeezy and a lot of soap. No. When you're using soap, you have to rinse it. If you leave the soap on the rug, in the foundation of the rug, the soap will lead to bacteria and it will start smelling and the rug will become sticky. For this reason, I wash the rug with acidic cleaning product from the Dead Sea, and my cleaning product is odor free. I will never deposit any smell, odor into the rug. Never. You pay me to remove the odor. You didn't pay me to cover the pee odor with a vanilla deodorize. So later it will become as a pee vanilla smell. You pay me to remove the odor and clean the rug, and I clean the rug through the rug, through the fiber, and I remove all the pee, the cleaner the customers used. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense, a cleaning process that reward me on Google 5-star review. Listen how the system working. is a wildlife photographer. My artwork now display on 500px. I am originally a wildlife photographer that's published the book Desert Birds of Israel in 1986. Today, my artwork display on 500px can be purchased to decorate your office or your home. Thank you very much for watching the PetPeePee Oriental Rug Cleaning and Mayor Martin Surreal or Real, my artwork. Thank you.